we're
Oh
filming.
wow, this is so comfy.
What? Oh, we're filming! We're filming!
Wait, can they hear?
Yes, they could hear you. We're filming, guys. Hola! First thing I need to say is, I'm on my main, Msp 11, go friend it. My friend is about to be online. Everybody knows her. Like, we've posted videos already. Just kidding, we need to post them.
Down below, by the way.
Yeah. Oh, and we have a different channel because I forgot the password to it, and it's on my phone.
She's so dumb.
You know it too, because you're supposed to be logging on and posting stuff.
Oh my god, wait, my password's wrong.
For what? Oh my god, her MSP isn't working, guys. Anyways, I did the look competition on social media, zombies competition, and I entered, and I look really good. I'm beautiful. Look, Gigi, my thing came out so good, and what I put for the name is "Be the Dead to my zombie." Be the dead to my zombie, and it came out really good. Look at this. I look beautiful.
Now I'm gonna put "Be the Dead to my life." No, just kidding.
Look, do I look bad? Do I look like a zombie? Yay! I'm gonna totally win this.
See how you look right now.
Oh, right now? I didn't change yet.
You're prettier than me.
It's okay. Guys, greet her. She's a beautiful baby. Pacifier!
Oh my god.
I was listening to the song and I couldn't stop singing.
The watermelon.
So lucky. You have gum! We only have 15 minutes to film, by the way. Hey, you're so lucky. At least I have gummies.
Yeah, I have lemon too.
No, I have a 90 pack.
Nice.
Okay, back to the video. I have barely any coins. I have 158 coins.
My thing has a heart on its butt.
Oh, Gigi, the best thing happened to me when I was in a chat room. I went into the VIP chat room, and there was coins all over the thing. And I just started clicking them really fast before anybody got them, and I got all of them. And I got like 300 coins. And each one of them were like 50 coins. I was just like so happy. I was just like, yay. I don't know if it was a glitch or something, but I love it. I don't know if you guys could hear me because of the background. I gave you a gift. Because you got shout out. I gave you bubble gum. This girl just randomly said greet me.
Can you give me a shout out?
I already did, but sure. Shout outs to Gigi. You know I already shout outed her.
1,000 times. Well, wait.
Uh-oh. Hey, wait. Join my forum. Her. Shoutouts to you, Lulu, because you bought something from my wishy. Woo-hoo!
Wow, yeah. You're so excited. You're just like a kid, okay?
I look horrible when I was doing that. Oh no. Ooh,
yeah.
What?
Why are you so excited? Today you've been so excited.
Yeah, because we're playing MSP with the beautiful people.
Oh wait, I think
Oh, I can't think of anything. Where are the freaking presents? There's only like 2 of them. There better be 1 more, or else I'm gonna cry. No. Where's that extra gift? This always happens to me. Are you kidding me? I'll show you how to graduate. Gigi. Okay, she left. She went to go get something. I can't see anything. You. Okay, give up. I hate this guy. You will do it. I just want to check your clothes. Wait, what? Oh my. Autos 4 out of 100? Girl, you serious? You really think you're gonna 100 autos? Wow. Okay. She has Ari hair. I need the Ari hair. We're playing Ari in the background. Ari, if you touch me, they're sorry. Gigi. She has so many freaking rares. Everything she has is rare. That's cute. Everything she has is brown now.
Okay, I just got back. Okay.
This lady has so many freaking rares. The first hair she has is a VIP hair. And, oh my god, she's so cute.
Oh my god.
Whatever, okay.
I think it's so lucky.
I love this hair, I want it.
How much coins do you have?
158.
Wait for it. 483.
No! How many diamonds do you have?
What?
How many diamonds do you have?
31.
She has freaking 31. I just be like right here, like being all alone with one gem.
Oh, one gem?
I am so lonely. I'm very lonely.
Oh, really?
On my own. You only have what?
Do you really only have one gem?
Do you really want to see my gems, lady?
Yeah. I can type really fast.
One gem. You used all of my gems. She used all my gems.
Excuse me? Me?
Never. I said that Gigi got me all the gems. Yeah.
Yeah, because I got her VIP first of all. I got her the 1 year. I have the 1 year as well.
Yeah, obviously they could tell that I don't have the 1 year because of what I have right here. I don't have the crown.
You don't need a crown to be the 1 year. You have the newbie 1 year.
Newbie? Newbie.
I at least have the crown.
You're so mean.
The 1 year crown. At least I have a crown. Ha, you don't have one.
Rude.
That means you're not a queen at MSP.
I'm a what? I'm not a what?
You're not a queen at MSP. Oh!
I'm the one who gave you your first account, lady. And that is true. I gave you the I gave you the 2 OMG speeches, then I gave you my other account. Then I let you.
You got hacked, okay?
No, you got hacked. She got hacked like 5 times. Gigi!
Yeah.
Melly Martinez is playing right now. It's Dollhouse, listen.
Yeah, I can hear it.
Yay. Hey girl, open the walls, play with your dolls. Woo!
Okay, you can stop screaming. You're so excited.
I know, I'm on YouTube right now with you. Play.
You know what would have been better if you were live?
If I was what?
Live.
I don't know how to go live. I'll check how to do
You can only do that when you have 1,000 subscribers.
Or I could go live on my phone on Musical.ly and I could just join. And then I do a YouTube video. Then I'll be live. And everyone thinks I work from me. Okay. We have technically
oh my god, glitches are happening to my computer right
5 more minutes until we could stop filming because we only greet me please, greet me please, greet me please.
Okay, you don't have to say that out loud.
This girl needs to greet me. No. She won't answer me.
Oh my god, I hate this so much.
She's not typing back, which sucks. Oh, can you greet me?
For me?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know. What do you want me to do?
Give me all your clothes.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that, because then I won't have clothes anymore and I won't be a VIP. Well, I'll be a VIP, but I won't have anything. But I'll give you stuff. I bought rainbow shoes, rainbow skirt, rainbow shirt. I almost bought a rainbow hair. I wanted rainbow stuff. I was in the rainbow mood.
You are so mean.
Start where we want. Things that were perfect. Please don't let them work. Recordings. Your SOS. Oh my
Oh my god, there's another game called Movies or Planet.
Where?
It's so different. It's like the old MSP, but it's so different.
Where? Let me see it. I want the old MSP back.
I know, right?
They had the rare highlighter. I want that one. Most people have it.
What? Oh, okay.
Spin the walls, play with the dolls. Go be a perfect family.
No, I'm not.
I don't know what to give her, guys. What should I give her? Should I give her my
Don't force me
beautiful...
to do stuff. Let me do my own thing.
Okay. Gigi, I'm gonna give you suspenders.
What do you do? Yeah, I'm taking a shower.
Uh-oh, Gigi, mute yourself. We're on YouTube.
Wait. I still take a shower, so I think I'll play
Wait. Do you know what a suspender is?
No.
Whatever, you're about to find out. Guys, say bye, Luigi. Gigi, go. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys, Gigi's off. I'm sorry. Let me check my forum to see if anybody. Come on. Dang it. No, I hate this song. You serious? Whatever. Skip. 2 more minutes to film. No. Uh-oh. Okay, guys, so we're probably gonna end the video right here. I love you guys so much. Make sure to vote for me. I will show you how. Movie Town, competitions, and you go to social media zombies competition. And submit your movie within 6 days and 21 hours. I love you guys so much. You're the best. Oh, and I'm at looks. Press looks. 1. Until you find me. We're almost there. I'm somewhere. I have to be here. Where am I? I need to be here right now. Oh no. I've lost myself. Here I am. I am Be the Dead to my zombie. Please vote for me within the next 6 days and 21 hours. I love you so much. Bye.